I am here to help you searching information on internet to this topic. Free audio editors software download for Linux, Mac and Windows. Let's go to website. In this post you get all the knowledge about free audio editors software download for Linux, Mac and Windows. The knowledge about that software and how to use that software for Linux, Mac and Windows. Index of this post: free audio editor software, how to use this audio editor, best free audio editing software, and audio editing tips. Here, as you see, the Audacity is an audio editor software. It is free to use for Windows, Mac OS or Linux, and the website link of Audacity where you download this software, and how to use Audacity audio editor. Here is the video where you learn how to use that software, and all the software are same as I ask you. If you like to get that type of information like that software and that software link or how to use that software in a single post, this post can help you. They cover approximately all of the open source audio editors or free audio editors software for free for you. In this post you get A to Z knowledge about audio editors, how to use that audio editor, and a lot more about tips and tricks about that audio editor. Like here you get here are 10 audio editing tips to make your YouTube video sound more pro. Here you learn tips, audio editing tips for sound more pro, and here best free audio editing software here with videos, and this is so engaging, and the videos are full of experience from audio editors. So if you like to read this post, the post link in the description. If you like to read this post, the post link in the description, and please comment what you want in this post. I add as your desire in this post. Please ask in comment what you want in this post. I add as your desire in this post, and please like this video and subscribe this channel to support me. I think this information can help you, or if you like that type of information that's help you for searching on internet, then please subscribe this channel. I'm from Internet Data Search Help Service. Thank you. Bye bye.